welcome to How To For You. Today I'm going to show you how to install these aftermarket tail lights that are for turn signals on your bike. So what I did was I went ahead and got some of these. They come in a set of 2 online, and I'll put a link in the description where you can get them for the rear part of my e-bike that I just got. Now these didn't come with the bike, they were aftermarket ones, but I went ahead and installed 2 on the back, and I'm going to show you how to install the other 2 on the front and what you can do to get these. They're really good price, they work really well, and you're just going to want to follow these steps in order to get yourself some turn signals for your bike. So the kit kind of just comes like this. You're gonna open it up, and basically what you're gonna have is just kind of an instruction guide, and then what you're gonna get is a few things like these rubber bands, these little straps that it comes with, and the main parts here is you have this remote control. Now I already had a remote control for the other 2 that I got, so I'm not gonna put the other one on. You can sync it and I'll show you how to do that. But then you're gonna put these 2 turn signals on and pair it with that, and it does come with these specific straps that are right here. So what happens is you take one of these and you insert it on the back of the clip like this, and now it's locked in there, and then you strap it around the post. I'm gonna put it on for you and show you what you do. So I've never really confirmed if it's exactly correct on how you put it in. Again, this just kind of slides in here. You could have it on either side, on the left or the right. I don't think it really matters. I tend to have this clip facing up, so you wanna pull it up, but it does lock in there. And I'm just gonna come around the front of my bike here, and I'm just gonna grab this piece here, and I'm just gonna twist it. It's sitting there kind of like so, but let's see if we can get a better shot. When traffic is coming head on at me, I want to have a good visual because I'm trying to make it level to the one on the back. So I'm just going to do that there on the left, and I'm going to do it on the right. Just making sure that that looks all good there. And these can rotate also up and down. They're pretty cool, but I'm gonna keep it pretty much like that. And then just for some extra security, what I would do too is I would get yourself a zip tie and a razor blade, and I would strap that around. So just so this doesn't come off, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna secure this here. I feel like the best point of securing it would be somewhere around this part, and then just cutting off that excess. Now we'll do it to the other side. Just showing it one more time, I wanted to make sure that they were kind of even, that they were tilted up correctly, and I wanted to make sure that the front was kind of on par with the back. They're about the same, and now here's the trick on how you want to get them synced up to the turn signal. So first and foremost, you are gonna make sure you wanna charge these. Each one of these, as well as the controller here, they each have a charging unit. The one that comes with the box, but you can find it, it's a universal size, and you're just going to make sure you charge it up. You are going to want to first turn on the one that's already been synced. So I'm going to turn this one on, and then I'm going to turn this one on, and I pressed the left button, and then I held that button there. And so I'll press the left button again, and now if I press the left, both of the left are blinking. So we'll just do that for the other side. So I'm going to turn off all the ones on the left, turn the back right one on, turn the front right one on. I'm gonna hit right, and then I'm gonna hold down this one. So there it is, check it out. Now you have 2 sets paired. So let's say you're wanting to go left. They are in sync. Then you just hit the left button to stop it, and then you hit the right button. So either way, there you have it. So there it is, that's how to pair these turn signal lights on your bicycle, whether it's a regular bike or an e-bike. These are really good, they're really cheap. Put a link in the description like I was saying, and it's good to have that extra controller just in case it breaks. It'll come with extra grommets and rubber ties in order to hold it, but I would recommend, getting these. They're fairly inexpensive and they work really well. I've put a few miles on them, but yeah, it's good to have these lights. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.